Have you ever heard of Galangal? No, it's not ginger, but it might just be the next big superfood taking the health world by storm. Stick around to find out why you need to add this powerful root to your diet today. Galangal is a rhizome, just like ginger and turmeric, but it has a completely unique flavor, spicy, citrusy, and slightly peppery. Native to Southeast Asia, it's been a staple in Thai, Indonesian, and Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. But what makes it so special? Galangal isn't just about taste, it's packed with health benefits. Here's why it deserves the superfood status. Powerful antioxidant. Galangal contains compounds like galangal, which fight oxidative stress and slow aging. Boosts immunity. With its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, it helps fight infections and strengthen the immune system. Aids digestion. Struggling with bloating or indigestion? Galangal has been used for centuries to soothe stomach issues and improve gut health. Supports brain health. Research suggests Galangal may protect against cognitive decline and even support memory retention. So how can you start using Galangal today? Here are a few easy ways. Make a healing tea. Just slice some galangal, steep it in hot water, and add honey for a soothing drink. Add it to soups and curries. It's a key ingredient in Thai Tom Yum soup. Blend it into smoothies. Give your morning smoothie a spicy, immune-boosting kick. Wondering where to get Galangal? Check your local Asian markets, specialty grocery stores, or even online. Fresh, dried, or powdered, it's available in multiple forms to fit your lifestyle. So, what do you think? Will Galangal become your new favorite superfood? Drop a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting health discoveries.